This system is absolutely amazing. I made over $5,000 in my first 24 hours of using Coffee Cash Cheat.
I made $5,178.79 in one day.
You completely changed my life for the better. Thank you so much.
The system really works.
I love coffee, especially some real good espresso. Now, most people really need coffee like an addiction. Don't get me wrong, because I'm one of them. I need a coffee to get me up and get me going every morning. But that's not why I'm addicted to coffee. Coffee's not only giving me energy and satisfaction, it makes me money. An awful lot of money, to be perfectly honest with you. I've banked $84,517,592.82 in the last 8 years thanks to simple coffee beans, and that kind of money is really addictive. Here, check out some of my screenshots of my bank accounts. And this one, and this. Now, obviously, drinking coffee will only cost me money. But I found a way that allows me to make $5,000 pure profit on an average day. Now imagine for just a moment what you could do if you could make $5,000 of pure profits every single day. Even today, you could buy yourself a brand new Mercedes-Benz, a Breitling, or invest into your kids and send them to one of the best private schools in the nation. You could even fly your whole family for a luxury vacation to the Bahamas. If you want to earn this kind of money with just 6 minutes per day, I recommend you stay tuned for the sensitive information I'm about to hand you. Hi, my name is Sean Willows, and I'm a multi-millionaire. And as you might know by now, I have a great passion for two things: coffee and money. And that's exactly how I came up with this push-button system that's been making money for the past 8 years. The information I'm about to show you in this short video for free is highly sensitive. A lot of millionaires will hate me and threaten me for leaking this system to you. But I think it's unfair keeping this any longer a secret from anyone. The Coffee Cash Cheat is as powerful as it's only using one commodity. It will result into an incredible win rate. The Coffee Cash Cheat will allow you to earn a staggering $142,500 on an average each month without investing into the commodity itself. The Coffee Cash Cheat will automatically trade on your behalf, allowing you to have an incredible win rate of 94.83%. With this system, it's impossible for you to fail and make mistakes. It's all automated to win. So why coffee? Why not some of those other high expensive commodities like oil, gold, platinum, or cocoa? That's just plain simple. Because the supply and demand are almost limitless. Nowadays, everyone drinks coffee, right? They drink so much coffee that there's a real coffee hype at this exact moment. Starbucks, Costas, Lavazza's are showing up out of nowhere on every street corner. It's not just coffee. You can get cafe americano, latte mocha, cappuccino, macchiato, dolce, and espresso. You can add flavors like caramel, vanilla, peppermint, tiramisu, and stuff. If it's your thing, you can even get it iced. Really, coffee is trending nowadays. That's technically why supply and demand for this commodity is so strong. Coffee is the second most valuable trading commodity after oil. Why? We've been drinking coffee for decades now, and we will continue to do so as even more flavors are adding up. But anyway, it's not really the coffee itself where you should be investing into. You will not buy bags of coffee beans and store them at your house. It's simply the amount of trades per day that are being made on coffee these days. Whether the coffee market is dropping or rising, you will still make money on the market being up and the market being down, all on autopilot. My system works on autopilot. It is impossible to fail, no matter your background or experience, or lack of it. There are no software downloads or plugins required. There's no need to raise your deposit to thousands of dollars before you can activate it. There are no excuses here. Only win after win after win. Just a simple small trade in coffee. That will result into daily easy profits, just like this guy did.
Hey Sean, I'm just sending you this quick video message for thanking you for letting me join your Coffee Cash cheat system. This system isn't like anything out there. Your Coffee Cash cheat made so many and found so many small trades for me in 24 hours that it made me well over the $5,000 that you told me it would. Thanks, man. This really helped me out.
Every trade only makes a small profit, so it didn't really convince me at first. But then I saw that coffee trades were made one by one, over and over again. Hundreds of trades on coffee alone. I've made more than 400 trades on my best and just under 194 on my worst trading day. Now, on an average day, you'll be able to have at least 240 to 260 trades, and they'll all bring you an average of $20 per trade. That's $4,800 to $5,200 profit per day for you to spend on whatever you like. All your financial dreams will become a reality when you start using this free system. Within just a couple of hours, you'll see profits like this. After a few days, your account balance will look like this. And after 3 months, your account will look like this. Because coffee is a real hype at this moment, there are hundreds of thousands of trades possible. Also, as this Coffee Cash cheat trades coffee only, it therefore is optimized and will always win from other general auto trading softwares. Remember, all of your trades don't need to be higher than just $25 per trade. There's no need to take any high risks. You don't have to raise your amount per trade to a number you're feeling uncomfortable with. Just let your account balance rise to a few $1,000s before you should consider raising your amount per trade, if at all. So there isn't a catch? Well, yes, there is. The brokers are the catch. You see, the Coffee Cash cheat didn't score this good at all of the brokers. Some brokers we tested didn't bring the results I wanted. I've lost some money trading at those brokers, but don't worry. I'm a big boy now. I can handle this loss. A few of my friends have already joined my system and all have been appointed to a different broker. This way we narrowed it down to just a handful of performing and reliable brokers. We now only use the tested and approved brokers we use ourselves to make and collect our money. No problems depositing, no hassle withdrawing your money. Just how you'd like a professional broker to be. Fast, accurate, and helpful. If you feel like gambling, you can take any broker. But if you really want to make consistent profit, I recommend to follow the exact method I'm teaching you today. Please feel safe to know that all brokers have been tested like crazy and that you don't have to pay me or my team a single penny for this system, support, or any profits you'll be making today and in the future. You don't need to pay me anything. No cuts, fees, nothing whatsoever. My Coffee Cash cheat is my way to give back to you after I made tens of millions with this method. I'm close to $100 million right now, and that's exactly why I'm offering this completely free for you to use. Some have already joined, and these people from all walks of life are now the proud owners of these kinds of bank accounts. Jason sent us a screenshot of his account. Look at the statement Amanda sent us. You want a bank account like that as well? It's possible, even for you today. Simply click on the Join Now button on the right to receive your first profits before the end of the day. Don't worry about failing. My system works on autopilot. It's impossible to fail. My system will calculate your win per trade automatically. If the win rate on a trade is lower than 94.5%, it will skip that trade and wait for the perfect timing to make the next. You can see it with your own eyes. Let me log into an account I've created last week and only deposited $250 into. Now, on this account, you can see the amount per trade is set to $25 and no higher. Every trade made with my Coffee Cash Cheat is a $25 trade and a profit from $15 to $25. Let me scroll down a bit. You can see that all these trades are all wins. There are hundreds of trades per day on a full autopilot. I've not even logged into this account since I created it last week. So the Coffee Cash Cheat has made 1,428 wins and just 78 losses. Up to this point, my system has a 94.867% win rate. As you can see, sometimes there is a rare loss coming through, but just 78 losses on 1,506 trades. That's acceptable, right? In a single week, with just $250 deposited into this account and the trade amount set at $25 per trade, my account balance has now been raised to an amazing $27,842.25. This account balance has been raised on complete autopilot. It didn't require my presence, and it certainly didn't require me any trading knowledge. Anyone can use this system just like it was designed to do. Anyway, I'm now able to withdraw this whole amount or just partially towards my own personal bank account. Remember, this trading account is like a personal bank account as well. You're the only one able to access your trading account and withdraw from it whenever you want. Please bear in mind to leave some funds to continue auto trading. Now, as if this win rate isn't convincing enough, there is a second behind-the-scenes feature I've created to assure this win rate. I've assigned a team of expert traders that will approve every trade the system wants to make. So even if my system is sure to win the trade, the system still requires an approval from my expert trading team to execute the trade. So it's impossible for you to go wrong. This backup team will monitor my system's every move on every trade. You literally have the best of both worlds here. You can access the immense calculating power and precision of the machine, along with something machines can never beat: guts. There's always a feeling from your gut that's telling you something is off. Maybe you can't figure out what it is, but it just feels wrong. Well, that's my backup team of expert traders, pushing the big red button when things just don't feel right. My Coffee Cash Cheat is not only free, but also risk-free. You can experience real freedom like anyone in the world deserves to. I can't help everyone, of course, but I'll try and do my best to help out the few people I can help. This system just needs a few minutes a day checking in on the account. You could withdraw daily money to your bank account. You can check how much you made while sleeping or before going to bed for a nice 8 hours sleep without stress. This money and the few minutes you need to spend on this system will allow you to experience complete freedom. You no longer have to worry about bills, rent, mortgage, or debts. This system will solve any of your financial challenges. It will not only solve existing financial issues, but it's also able to secure your financial freedom in the future. With the Coffee Cash Cheat, your new Mercedes-Benz isn't such a long shot, or you could just simply buy the beach house you've always wanted. Take a sabbatical year off and go travel the globe with your whole family. You shouldn't have to worry about the money, as the system just requires 6 minutes of your day. You could simply access the system anywhere around the globe by logging into your account. This is all set up for you entirely web-based, so there's no need dragging around your own PC or laptop. You don't require any software whatsoever. You could simply access your account from every device with just an internet connection. You could use your smartphone or a computer at the hotel lobby. The Coffee Cash Cheat is truly revolutionary. It's like nothing you've ever seen before, and probably something you'll never see again. The copies of my system are strictly limited, so act now. Enter your email address on the right side of this video. As you've joined up, you'll be redirected to the instruction page. To help every member become successful and experience complete freedom, you'll also be appointed your own millionaire coach. This millionaire coach has helped dozens of people deal with these sudden riches. It's not earning $1 million that's difficult with my system. It's spending it wisely and how to deal with friends that are trying to benefit from you. All things your millionaire coach can help you with. Besides the millionaire coach, we've also added a PDF guide for starters. This PDF guide contains a step-by-step procedure on how to set up your account for the first time. I've also added an FAQ section into the PDF to answer all of the frequently asked questions. If there's anything you need to know, it's listed here in your PDF guide. If for some exceptional reason your question is not listed in my PDF guide, you could simply contact us using one of our contact options listed in the PDF guide as well. As you can see, I'm really putting efforts into this and giving back to society. I've donated large amounts of money to several charities, but it requires no effort at all. I want to show people I really tried helping others out, really change people's lives with all my knowledge and everything in my power to do so. So don't let it pass. Do not sleep on it, and don't walk off and come back later. You have absolutely nothing to lose here. You can only win. So if you're sick of your dead-end 9-to-5 job, and if you're done chasing payments, join now. Enter your primary email address now and click the Join Now button and grab yourself a copy of the Coffee Cash Cheat System before it's too late. Once all the copies have been taken, this video will go offline and there are no second chances letting you in. So join now. This is your time. Take action and secure your financial freedom right now. You'll be able to earn your first couple $1,000s by the end of the day today, just like I promised you at the beginning of this presentation. Grab one of the last copies of Coffee Cash Cheat and change your life starting right now. Enter your email address, click the button, and I'll see you on the other side. Do it now.